Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Navy Federal's Digital Investor. Now this is going to be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important details. So in order to start using the Navy Federal Digital Investor, you first need to come on to their website. From here, if you haven't actually got an account, I first recommend that you actually learn a bit about what the Navy Federal Digital Investor is. So if we scroll down a bit, we have three options. We can either choose our own investments, have them invest for us. If you're not sure, you can choose this option to compare them. So the first thing you need to do before actually using the Navy Federal Digital Investor is to figure out which one is better for you. So for the self-directed investor account, you can take control of your investments with self-directed investment. So what this actually means is you can choose which stocks and ETFs seem right for you. And they also give you tutorials that will help you get started no matter what your experience level is. However, if you're not a fan of that and you'd rather have them do it for you, you can go down and read a bit about automated investing. And what this means is you tell them a bit about your goals and investment preferences, and from there they will actually build a portfolio tailored to you. So if you're still unsure which one you would prefer, I recommend coming down here and comparing both of them and figuring out which one is a better choice for you. Now they also have some frequently asked questions if you need to learn anything else, but when you're ready to get started, we can go up to the top again and then click Get Started. From here, we have to choose which one we actually decided on. And then from there, when we're happy, we can go ahead and open our account. So you first need to read through this disclosure. And once you've read through it all and you understand it, you can go ahead and accept it and then click Continue. From there, you will need to sign in with your Navy Federal username and password. So this means that you first must actually be a Navy Federal Credit Union member before you sign up. If you're not, I would first recommend that you go and sign up as a credit union member, or unfortunately this will not work. Once you go ahead and sign into your account, you will then be able to actually invest using the Digital Investor. So if you chose a self-directed account, you'll then be able to choose your stocks and ETFs. Or if you chose the automated version, they will then give you some advice and build a portfolio to match your needs. From there, you can invest whatever you want and then hopefully make some profit over time. So that's how you can use Navy Federal's Digital Investor. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.